Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to talk about Apple Watch Series 3, which is the cheapest Apple Watch that you can get right now from Apple. And should you buy this thing right now or not? So let's take a ride into it. So first of all, just to clear, this watch was released back in 2017. Yes, 2017, and Apple is still selling this, and I've been using this watch from over 1 year now, and here are my thoughts about this watch in 2022. So, Series 3 is rocking latest Watch OS 8 and it is still getting some updates, which is a big selling point for me, to be honest with you. But after using this watch from over 1 year now, I haven't experienced any kind of big lag whatsoever. I also don't feel that much left off, to be honest with you. I mean, we have Series 7, which is the latest one that Apple is making right now, but practically all the generations kind of look similar to each other. I mean, the face of the watch, the square type thing. So I mean, no change there, and even in 2022 this design will not look old school because Apple is still selling it, number one, and number two, it looks similar to Series 4, 5, 6, 7. So why to think more? Coming to display, it's okay. I mean, for sure better than what you're thinking. The only problem is the borders. I mean, the display has black borders around the corners, which makes it kind of boxy. The edges doesn't melt like Series 4 or later. You have this curve around the corner, but that's just glass, not screen. And trust me, this is the only thing that I kinda hate about this watch. I mean, why borders? I mean, why? But here comes the solution. You can actually use some dark watch faces to cover the borders. That will give this watch that edgy and melty look. So you are pretty much covered here and your problem is solved. So let me talk about something that I'm almost tired of and can be my only reason to upgrade, which is the storage. I mean, how in the world can someone live with 8 GB? I mean, seriously, it's like I'm living in 2005 and I cannot keep my album, my audiobooks, certain important apps because I'm always afraid that I will fill up the storage. But if you're someone who don't give a shit about apps and all, boom, this can be your watch. I really want to talk about fitness here because that is a thing that this watch is great in from the day one I bought it. I mean, it tracks literally everything like my steps, my standout times, my workout, my heartbeat, and let me tell you this, I bought this watch for my fitness to record my gym sessions and all, that how much calories I'm burning. And if this is the only task you want from your watch, man, I have to say that save your money and go for Series 3 because this is a watch that will not disappoint you even in 2022 or even in 2023. And I'm like sure about this because you can set your goal, workout duration, calorie tracking, meditation. You have numbers of workouts to choose from like badminton, swimming. I mean, I'm just naming few in the list, but the list goes on and on. So if the fitness is your thing and you are just starting out, Series 3 will not disappoint you again. Fitness department is checked, display department, yeah, kind of checked. Storage, I leave it to you guys. Now comes the performance, and again, this watch is not gonna disappoint you here. It's still going strong here. I mean, it loads a bit while opening some intensive apps like maps and all, but come on, you can manage that much. I feel Watch OS 8 has made this a bit more faster. I feel like I can be intense with this, but still, this will work like jam. But if I have to use this watch like honestly non-stop, it tends to lag or load a bit as I mentioned earlier, but again, not something that big to worry about. Look, I have used Series 4 for over a month. Yes, I have used Series 4 for over a month, and I came back to this just because for one reason, which is the battery life. This watch, even after 1 year, can last more than a full day. Not two, but still way better than Series 4. Series 4 used to get around 5%, 10% at the end of the day, but with Series 3, you can end your day easily with 25%, which is remarkable considering how old the watch is, and still it's outperforming its senior. Look, I don't know about Series 7 battery life, but Series 3 is enough for one day with intense use. So this watch can do a lot of things other than being in your hand. It can store some music for you when you are on your run. You can use Siri in this, which works just fine. Not that good, but still. And also you have to raise to wake feature, and this works like all the time. It's time useful because you don't need to touch your watch to see the time. I mean, this can be in water too. So yeah, you can basically take a shower with it. You can reply to text messages. You can even take some calls on this, and the speaker of this watch is very good too. So you don't have any problems whatsoever. And I want to mention one more thing about the watch, which is the durability. As you can see, some scratches here and there, but this watch has went through a lot. Even after going through this much, this is still in good condition, which shows the durability of the watch as well as display of the watch. To be honest with you, if I have to talk about the features of this watch, I will need a whole day. But to sum it up, because I don't want to talk about features because everyone does that, I want to tell you what you should do right now. Look, for the most part, this watch is literally enough for everyone out there. Why to waste money? And even if you want something extreme, Apple Watch SE is also a good option. But for newcomers who haven't used Apple Watch, yes, this can be a good way to start. And let me tell you something, by being super genuine, that I seriously don't see a point of buying Series 7 or what, because trust me, Series 3 can literally do everything. Everything. Like, you might compromise on certain things like watch faces, storage, performance, but come on, this is a watch. What do you want from it? Like, what do you want from it? To record your workouts, show your time, notifications, right? I mean, if that's the case, Series 3 even in 2022 is a great choice. And if even if you want a little bit more and want to spend more money which is worthless, you can still go for SE. With that being said, I hope you all like this video, and if you did, do let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe for more. And again, I'm AJ and I'm signing off. Bye bye.